It's now 8:21 on your Saturday morning. If you're just waking up and stepping out, you're going to be hit with some cold air.
I'll tell you this, Matthew, if you're not a lover of these frosty temperatures, you're going to like some of this gorgeous weather that we have in store for later today. And that's going to be a big change from what's out there this morning. Did you pick up on my references?
I did not.
That's why I'm tweeting out everything with quotation marks, just in case you don't pick up on the T-Swift references this morning.
Not that one.
That's right. All right, well, maybe I'll throw a couple more at you. We'll see if you get them later. There's a live look at Lucas Oil Stadium this morning. It is a little frosty in some spots here in central Indiana, just above that frost threshold, though, here in downtown. We currently sit at 39. I know it's going to be a chilly start to the day. Layer up, because as we get into the afternoon, it's going to be very nice with the sunshine returning, a southeast breeze helping to bring in some slightly more mild temperatures. By noon today, if you're headed downtown for the lunch hour, we will continue to warm back through the 50s, and we are eventually headed to the low 60s for highs today. And given the fact that the average high is in the upper 50s still, it's not going to be significantly above average today, but we'll take it. 62 in early November. We've got a high of 63 forecast over in Greencastle, and Shelbyville is headed to 64 later on this afternoon. We've got show 2, gates open at Lucas Oil Stadium at 4:30 if you're headed downtown. Plenty of sunshine going to take us through the start of that show, officially at 6:45. Now, it will cool off quite drastically during the evening because of these clear skies. So mild going in, very chilly coming out of Lucas Oil Stadium. By 11 p.m. we will fall to 47 degrees. And keep in mind, overnight tonight, before you go to bed even this evening, it might be a good idea to go ahead and change the clocks. We're going to fall back 1 hour at 2 o'clock in the morning early Sunday. That will impact the time the sun comes up and it sets. Sunrise today, by the way, just a few moments ago at 8:15. The sun will set at 6:41 today. But then as we get into tomorrow, sun comes up much earlier, but it's going to set at 5:40. So something to keep in mind with that time change. Weather-wise, we're going to warm up tomorrow because a warm front's going to lift through the state. That will increase cloud cover a bit for your Sunday afternoon, but it's going to really increase temperatures. We are headed to 70 for a forecast high tomorrow. Means it will be more mild, but we will see a little bit more cloud cover for the third and final show for Taylor here in town. Tomorrow evening by 6 p.m. we'll be at 67, so it will be a little bit more mild through 11 p.m. Sunday. Now, this front could bring a little bit of rain to parts of the state as well. This is 8 o'clock in the morning, a sunny start. You'll notice that cloud cover building in. This is 4 p.m. A stray shower possible, especially up closer to Lafayette, up to perhaps Kokomo. But then that boundary will stall to our north, and that does mean we're going to dry things out for Sunday night. Eventually into Monday, our pattern will be a little more unsettled. So temperatures will be right back in the low 70s for highs Monday, but we'll also hold on to a chance of some lingering rain, especially over on the western side of the state, closer to where that boundary stalls out. And then for Election Day, a dry start to the day with increasing rain chances, even a few rumbles of thunder possible Tuesday night into Wednesday morning as a cold front comes through. And then even behind that front, it cools off, but we stay above average with highs in the 60s.